because what is prevented by the charter is to increase contribution to increase a benefit.
No. Then we will not say that you increase benefit because the contribution will be increased. Maybe you can ask for additional contribution later on.
But
under a different circumstance.
what will happen, Your Honor, is that the moment there is an across-the-board increase in pension benefit, it will already put the SSS Fund Life in a situation that we will be reduced by 13 years. Now, if we're not
You
able
should
to,
have told that to the House of Representatives. We have no choice because the House of Representatives passed the bill. Alam naman tayo papalitan.
we did present our position at the House of Representatives, Your Honor.
Finish with your
Yes,
presentation.
Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Quiros. We will now proceed with our other resource persons. We want to ask Congressman Colmenares, you are the principal author of House Bill 5842 or the bill providing for the 2000 across-the-board SSS pension increase at the lower house. HB 5842 was passed on third reading by the House of Representatives on June 9, 2015. Please share with us the sense of your colleagues or the House of Representatives in approving this legislation.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Magandang umaga po sa ating mga kasamahan sa Senado at sa SSS family. The bill actually, Madam Chair, at the 5842, it consists of 3851, House Bill 3851, and House Bill 4903. I have a position paper. I submitted it to the Secretariat. But in gist lang, Madam Chair, muna pasalamat sa kay Senator Villar for taking up the initiative to hear this very important bill that will really affect the lives of many of our countrymen and women. Ang kalagayan lang po, dismal ang social pension scheme natin ngayon, ang kabuhayan ng ating mga pensioners. They work so hard for so many years at the retirement sana nila, socially secured. Social Security says, dapat sana hindi na sila nag-iisip kung saan nila kunin ang sunod na kakainin. Pero in the concept kasi po of Social Security is not merely it's a social justice tool. It is not merely because kawawa naman sila, maliit lang yung pension nila. Of course, that is a valid reason, Madam Chair. But the other impact, of course, of pension is it's also an economic tool. It's a development tool na kung saan ang gobyerno kailangan niya rin taasan ang pensyon ng kanyang mga pensioners para naman maging economic factor sila sa ekonomiya. And definitely, Madam Chair, hindi lang sila maging economic factor sa ekonomiya kung tumaas ang pensyon nila. Burden ng gobyerno pag hindi sila makabili ng maintenance medicine, hindi sila makakain ng nutritious na pagkain, ma-hospital sila, dagdag yan na obligasyon sa gobyerno. That's why many governments around the world really put a lot of initiative and incentive para mataas ang pension, precisely because of those two reasons. Ngayon po, dito sa House, marami kami mga kasamahan nag-agree sa dalawang bill na ito na pinasa last June 9. 5,000 to 7,000 pesos ang increase na hinihingi namin noon. No? Siyempre, nag-oppose ang SSS noon. At sa mahabang deliberasyon, since 2011 pa po na-file yung mga bills na yan, ang nabanggit ng SSS po na, siyempre, it will shorten the fund life of SSS. In this case, from 2042, magiging 2029. Ang sagot ng SSS kung talagang kailangan itaas yan, di mag-subsidize ang gobyerno na 45 billion pesos a year. At nakalagay naman yan sa SSS Charter that Congress can appropriate such funds every so often that it feels that Congress during the GAA deliberations, of course with the sanction of the Office of the President, can do that. We also believe that the SSS itself can increase the pension on its own, however it chose not to do so. In short, ang argument lang po ng SSS walang pera. Mahirap po paniwalaan siyempre doon sa karamihan ng ating mga pensioners na ang rason bakit hindi tumataas ang pension, walang pera ang SSS. In the first place, napakalaki ng unlimited collections ng SSS. Last year, according to COA, 13 billion pesos ang uncollected premiums. During the Senate deliberation on the SSS condonation law in 2002-2003, Senate proceedings would say na 90 billion in fact ang unlimited premium. So ang sabi ng mga pensioners, wala kang pera, ba't hindi mo singilin yung mga may utang sa'yo? Just like any person na kung wala kang pera, yung una mo syempre puntahan ay yung may utang sa'yo, hindi yung pupunta ka kaagad sa mga miyembro mo. Tumaas ka ang premium nyo, tumaas nga ang inyong kontribusyon. The second reason na nakita namin dito is tinanong namin sila during the hearings, may mga fines in your criminal cases na na-file nyo sa mga delinquent employers, for example, may fine sana, punta yun, hindi alam ng SSS. Sabi namin, kung wala kang pera, kahit yung mga fines na yun, millions yun. So dapat kolektahin mo yun if we really are concerned with your constituents, no? So, and of course, hindi nakadagdag na nagkaroon ng bonus ang SSS na 10 million before, at lalo pang lumala nang nalaman na